taught them real life love, and often wishes Bill were here. For when she walks, she always walks with Billy, 'cause Billy knows just where to walk. And when she talks, she always talks with Billy, 'cause Billy knows just how to talk.
Well, I guess we're about all ready to go. We're all packed, and got maybe an hour before we have to leave. I wonder if they'll be playing some of these good old songs like on these Edison cylinders there. For example, here's Sailing Down the Chesapeake Bay.
And I see the steamer coming here, heading here to this pier. If you hurry, we will make it, never fear, on the old Dominion line. Ain't she sailing pretty as she hugs her shore? Steaming full, Baltimore. Hear the paddles turning, hear the water churning. She's the queen of Chesapeake Bay. Come on, Nancy, put your best dress on. Come on, Nancy, for the steamboat's gone. Everything is lovely on the Chesapeake Bay. All aboard for Baltimore. And if we're late, they'll all be sore. Now look here, Captain, let us catch that boat. We can swim and listen, we can float. hurry, dear, the steamer ain't a mile away. Down the bay, on her way. See the smoke a-pouring from her funnel gay. Honey, ain't that picture grand? Put your bib and tucker on and come with me. Like we'll see, you'll agree. Sailing down the Chesapeake, I said the Chesapeake. Sailing down the Chesapeake Bay.